Microsoft Whiteboard was first a topic in my August 2018 update video while it was still in preview. It's a great place for ideas, people, and content to come together on the same virtual canvas around the world and across devices in the Whiteboard app or from your browser. Two new intelligent inking features in the Microsoft Whiteboard app for Windows 10, Ink Beautification and Ink Grab, help improve the collaborative ideation experience. Ink Beautification takes the notes you write and makes them more legible. This addresses one of the most commonly cited concerns about why people don't use inking more: terrible handwriting. You can also easily convert content from a physical whiteboard to a digital whiteboard using Ink Grab. This feature converts pictures of your notes to digital ink, making them easier to edit and share with others. Together, these intelligent inking features decrease the time spent transcribing notes and allow for more time collaborating on digital whiteboards. Both are now available in the Whiteboard Windows 10 app.